How to add multiple accounts on your YouTube app. What's up everyone, welcome to the video. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add different accounts on your YouTube app. Let's begin. First of all, you will have to open your YouTube, and from here you want to tap on this profile icon at the bottom right corner. It will take you to your profile, and now you just have to tap on the gear icon, which will take you to the settings menu, and from here you just tap on account, and all of your available accounts will be shown here. But if it's not shown, then what you can do is tap on this plus icon right here, which will ask you to add an account. It will check your device info and ask you for your biometrics, your fingerprint, or your PIN code. You just enter that, and now you just enter your email address. Once you have entered your email address, just tap on next. And now it will ask you for your password, so just enter your password. Once your password has been entered, just tap on next. And once you have entered your password, you should be logged into your other account. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys on the next video.